Nothing ruins a cold morning faster than a diesel engine that refuses to fire up or starts coughing out clouds of thick black smoke. And if your scanner is showing a P069A code, the problem is buried in the glow plug control circuit for cylinder number 9. Unlike a gasoline engine that uses spark plugs to get things moving, your diesel relies on high compression and heat. But when the engine is cold, that compression alone is not enough, so the glow plugs act like a heating element to get the cylinder temperature high enough to ignite the fuel. Each cylinder has its own glow plug threaded into the head, and they literally glow red hot when the glow plug timer or the PCM sends battery voltage to them. When the computer detects that the voltage in the circuit for cylinder number 9 is lower than it should be, it triggers this code and throws your truck into a state of poor fuel efficiency and rough idling. A lot of people mistake these for spark plugs, but they are a completely different animal, and the troubleshooting requires a very specific approach, starting with identifying exactly where cylinder number 9 is located on your specific engine layout. Start with a thorough visual check of the wiring harness for any loose connectors or signs of heat damage. Then use your scan tool to manually activate the glow plug timer while you check for battery voltage at the plug with your digital voltmeter. One old school trick that is incredibly effective is to actually remove the glow plug and carefully apply battery voltage to it directly to see if it glows bright red within a few seconds. But you have to be extremely careful not to burn yourself or start a fire during this test. If the plug stays cold or only gets lukewarm, it is definitely toast and needs to be swapped out for a new one. Sometimes the issue is not the plug itself, but a blown fuse or a faulty relay in the glow plug module. So always test your fuses while the circuit is under load to get an accurate reading. If everything from the plug to the fuses checks out, you might be dealing with a short or an open circuit in the wiring between the controller and the cylinder, or in rare cases, the glow plug timer itself has failed and is no longer sending the power where it needs to go. Addressing this quickly is vital, because a failing glow plug system can lead to long-term engine wear and will definitely leave you stranded when the temperature drops. So do not let this one slide.